back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can um, have this have a two WhatsApp business on the same phone. Like it's always difficult once you have one WhatsApp business on your phone. You'll not be able to add another WhatsApp business app on your phone, but you can have one ordinary WhatsApp and one WhatsApp business. But in this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way you can have two WhatsApp business apps on the same phone, because you may be doing a couple of businesses that will require that you have two WhatsApp businesses. In that case, you don't need to carry multiple phones before you can do this. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do that. With one phone, you can have more than one business WhatsApp app, including other apps on your phone. So having said that, if you are a returning subscriber, you're welcome. Thank you for coming back. If you are just the first time on my YouTube channel, please, you're welcome as well. Thank you for watching. And if you get value from this video, I would love you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button, that red subscribe button. Smash that button now and turn all the notification bell, turn it on, so that when I post new videos here, you'll be among the first set of people that's going to watch it and of course get value, because I'll be posting valuable contents on this very particular YouTube channel. All right, having said that, let's get down to business. The first thing you need to do is to go to your Google Play Store or your Apple Play Store, depending on the operating system you are using. So go ahead and click on the Google Play Store, and then go to the search bar and search for multi-space. Okay, now that is it there. You have your multi-space here. Go ahead and install the app and allow it to install. All right, guys, let's wait for it to finish installing. It's still installing. Let's just give it a little more time. All right, guys, it's done installing. I'm going to click on open. All right, so now I'm going to click on open to open it. Just follow me step by step. Now that it has opened, click on the yellow button that says start, and let's allow the app to load. Allow all permissions. There we are. So here you have all the applications on your phone. You can choose to select any one of them that you want to duplicate. You want to have kind of two accounts on the same phone. All right. So now we want to have two business WhatsApp apps. Okay. I'm going to select that, which is this one here. This one here, WhatsApp business. This is what we want to duplicate. Okay. So I'm going to click to select it. Once I select it, you can now see that this button will pop up here. I will click on clone, and it will start cloning it. Boom, it's done cloning it. So what next? If you want to add more apps, you can go ahead and click on the plus button here to add more of the more apps that you want to clone. But on the contrary, we just want to go with the WhatsApp business app. Okay, I'll go back, and then let's go back, and then select this app that I cloned, which is this business WhatsApp. Okay, I'm going to click on that to open it. Let me click on that to open it. Let's allow it to open. Wait for it, please. Okay, now it has opened. All right, now that it has opened, we're going to continue the normal way to create WhatsApp business account. Okay, I'm going to click on agree and continue, and then I'm going to select my country. In my own case, my country is Nigeria. It's already selected automatically, so I would have to enter my phone number here. So let me go ahead and enter the phone number. I'm not going to be okay. I think I'm going to cloud it. So click on next. Okay. Now click on OK. They're going to send me a code. And once that code is sent, I'm going to enter it here. Okay, the code has been sent. And that's the code there. 208449. So I'm going to enter it here now. 208449 to verify the phone number. Good. Now verification is complete. I'm going to click on continue, allow. So I can now enter my profile. So yeah, it's asking me if I want to back off, and but in your own case, you may not ask it to back up. The reason why it's asking me to back up is because I've once opened WhatsApp business account with this particular number. So in your own case, you may not want to restore anything. If it's a new number, you just need to proceed and the account will be created. I mean, like you would love to proceed with your, okay. Okay, I can see they are not able to restore anything, okay, because it's quite been a long time when I stopped using it, when I changed my number. Okay, let's just go ahead and click on next, and then we can set up our WhatsApp profile. Okay, I can go to my gallery to set my profile pics and any other thing that I may want to use for this, and I'm going to be using this, one of my logos. I'm going to be using that as my profile picture. And next I'm going to be using my business name. My business name is Natob Fashion Hub. That's my business name. Okay, and category, I'm going to select that. My category is fashion. Okay, yeah, design and fashion. Okay, I'm going to choose that. Then you can show more options. You can describe your business, put your business address, and so many other things. You can still come back to do this later, but you can now go ahead and proceed to the next, and everything is initializing. So that's the way it works. Okay, there we are. You can set up your catalog, where you can display your product or the things you sell. You may not want to do that now because it will take much of our time. We're going to click on not now, and then I think we're done. Our WhatsApp business setup is completed. It's now completed. You have everything you need here. Okay, let me go back to my home page. So you can now see that instead of having one WhatsApp business, we have two of it here now. I have one here and I have the other one here. So people can send me messages on both numbers, and I'm going to receive. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.